On this video we will show you how to take better nighttime photos and add light trails to make your photos look more interesting and fun, may it be on your smartphone or DSLR. Beginners to photography might think that only high-end cameras can take good photos in the dark. Well, think again. Even a standard smartphone on the right hands can produce quite decent night photos. One essential tool is a tripod. We need the camera to be still with absolutely zero shake. Set your camera or phone's camera to manual. Start with an ISO 200 and exposure time of 1 second. From there, try to experiment on. More exposure time means more light to enter the sensor, hence making image brighter. The higher the ISO also makes the image brighter, however will make the image appear more grainy. If your camera cannot autofocus due to the dark, then you have to manually focus it. For light trails, do same thing except this time you're shooting something with a light source that moves, like cars with headlights on. Let's try on this boring street. A full auto setting will take this image. Quite boring, don't you agree? Now, this time let's try manually setting the shutter speed. Let's try 2.5 seconds. This is shot with a standard phone, by the way. See? It's a much better photo. And it's taken via phone. Same trick goes for fireworks and dancers with fire. It's really that easy. Please subscribe for more topics about photography. See you again soon.